Good morning, all are welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic at DRA, Department of Information Technology. Today start 15th lecture on course that is subject name Data Structure using C. Okay, next slide. First of all are know our departmental vision and mission. Okay, so first of all we discuss our departmental vision and mission. Okay, what is meant by vision? Vision is ability to think about or plan the future to imagination, or vision is a public declaration that the organization is used declare or describe their high level goals. Okay, so our departmental vision is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of your growing needs of society and industry. This is our departmental vision. And next, that is departmental mission is that first of all what is meant by mission? Mission is public declaration that institute used to describe their purpose, is what they do and why they do it, means for completing of our visions and completing of our goals we define the three mission statements. They are first, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment of preparing technical and professional competent engineering. And second is that to build up professional skills in students that we help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. And third to imbibe professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Okay, in a departmental vision the important keywords is that professionally competent engineers and needs of society and industry. And in the same as in a departmental mission in that important keyword is that quality education, professional skills and professional ethics. Okay, these are our departmental vision and mission. Okay, start on today's lecture. Okay, syllabus of that our course is that in that there are total 5 units. Okay, unit number 1 introduction to data structure for 6 marks is already completed. We started unit number 2 searching and sorting for 12 marks. Okay, in that unit number 2 searching and sorting the syllabus is that 2.1 searching, 2.2 sorting. We already completed 2.1 searching. We started 2.2 sorting. In that we studied the 3 sorts, means bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort. And in a previous lecture we seen that insertion sort and I am given some homework on it. Hope all are completed it. Now in this lecture we studied that programs, C programs, means how to through turbo C through how to run this program. In this lecture that we studied. Okay. Now means to start our today's lecture. In this lecture we know the C program of bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort using through Turbo C. Okay, using through Turbo C we study one by one program, but these programs are in a lecture already studied that in a bubble sort lecture, and after that selection sort, after that insertion sort in a lecture wise, means in through PPT through that programs are added, but using through Turbo C through not seen that. So in this lecture that seen. Okay, first of all with that compile. First of all you open Turbo C software in your computer. Okay, after that we compile it. Okay, these are you are already known, because in a last semester you studied the language C. Okay, in this that's using through C only for we studied the data structures. Okay, so it is easy for yourself. Okay, first of all compile it. Okay, success. After that run it. Enter array of size. For example, I am given a size, for example 4. Then after that enter 4 array elements. For example, given the elements as a then output will be get sorted array is 1 2 6 8. Clear? Means okay, you know output. After that program, this is the include std connew, these are the header files. Okay, after that void main, it is a function. After that it is a variable declaration statement. In that clear screen, using through clear screen your window clear. Okay, the output window will be clear. After that printf means /n enter a array of size, means it is the message for user understanding purpose. Press scanf %d means scanf means your input functions. Okay, %d is it is a data specifier. Why we use %d? Because n variable declared as a integer, so we use %d data specifier. Okay, integer, it is a data type, you know it. Okay, after that printf /n enter %d array element. In that n variable, we know already, I show to output, in that given n number is 4, so in that display enter 4 array element. Okay, after that it is for loop, and it is the for input function using scanf. Okay, it is the array, so in that more than one elements are present, and each elements are same statements are repeated, so that purpose we use the for loop. Using for loop you reduce the repeated sentences. Okay, means I is equal to 0 means up to I is equal to n we are inputted the number array of 0 and 2. These are coding are explained in our lecture. Only for in that lecture we studied using through Turbo C how will we run. Okay, next this is your logic, means how to bubble sort through number is sorted. What is the logic of bubble sort? Okay, in that bubble sort first, okay, in that we know in a lecture. Okay, what is mean by bubble? Means that bubble sort given the number as in a word as a bubble. In a water, the bubbles first of all is small, after that bigger is created, and after that in some moment that big bubble is placed in a proper size. That technique are used in this in this sorting, so give the name as a bubble sort. Means in that largest number are placed in a proper position. Okay, that's way that's our number are sorted. So in that declare I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, because it is I, it is used for iteration purpose, passes purpose. So starting from 0, so n minus 1 pass means in that 4 element are taken, then 4 minus 1 means 3 passes are will be used, so created. J is equal to 0. Okay, in that n is 4, 4 minus 0 and 1 means 4 minus 1 3 means j 0 is less than 3, condition is true, then in that check. Okay, means array of j position means 0 position is greater than array of j plus 1 means 0 plus 1 means 1 position is greater, then swap it, otherwise not. Okay, this we logic or concept we are already known that. Okay, this program using through one by one sentence, how to will be run, how to you show it using through F8 key, F8 key. Okay, we seen that taken for only for 3 numbers. Okay, or any line. Okay. F8 number will be, sorry, output will be got it 3 5 9. Clear that? Means using through F8 key through we are seen that how will we achieve or we get the output. Okay, this is a bubble sort program. This program we already given in our lecture, in that only for seen the using through C means turbo C through how it is will be run. Okay, after that we now we seen the selection sort. Okay, this program first of all compile it, that run it. How many numbers you are going to enter in array? For example, given 3 numbers, then v numbers are given, for example 7 3 1, then v number will be sorted elements 1 3 7. It is not in a new lines. Okay, it is continue. Okay, if you wish to that numbers are displayed in new line, then in printf statement change it in that. This is your, in that space is reduced and in that given the slash n. Okay, then first save it, then compile it, after that run it. Okay, in that given 3 numbers, for example 3 8. Okay, okay, in that sorted elements is for 2 front of 2 numbers is displayed, that also we change it, and that use the slash n. Okay, so save it, after that compile it, after that run it. Example given number 3 2 5 8. Clear that? Okay, in that program also same, these are the header files. After that main function, it is a variable declaration, window clear screen. These are these 2 sentence for array size given by user. After that, in that this sentence for inputting the numbers. This is the logic for your selection sort. In that selection sort, what is the your logic? In a selection sort, 0th element will be select, and that 0th element are compared with each and every elements on that array. Okay, and that how many where the smallest number is found, then are swap. Okay, means in a selection sort using through smallest number through numbers will be sorted. Okay, this is logic. In that, for example, in that I is equal to 0, I less than n, after that j is equal to I plus 1, means in that 0 and it is in j is the 1. Okay, in that 0 position is okay great, it is greater than jth position, means 1 position. Okay, means jth position will be small. Okay, means second element will be small, then interchange means swap that. Okay, this logic will be used in this selection sort. After that it is the printf function. Clear that? Okay, using through F8 key. Through how it will be running, show that F8 is one by one sentence you see. Okay, for example we give one 4 number. After that, for example given number 5 3 1, anyone's you given the numbers 4 times, that is scanner check condition is check. Sorry, in that errors are created. Okay, once again given us small numbers. Carefully place that functions key, otherwise error will be occur in that same as. Sorry. Output will be given 4 7 12. Clear that? Using through Turbo C we run the program selection sort. Clear that? After that open this program. We already done that programs. Okay, so insertion sort, open it. How will we open? In it is the file menu. In that open F3 is the shortcut key, save for F2 key. After that compile for shortcut keys Alt F9 and run for Control F9. When your keyboard is not run, that time to use, sorry, when your mouse is not done, that time to use keyboard. That time you know the keys. For the purpose of save, F2, open for F3, compile for Alt F9 and run for Control F9. Okay. This is the program for insertion sort. These two are the header files, void main. Okay. These are the variable declaration statement, which is a clear window. Okay. These two sentences for user purpose, giving the size of array. After that, these are the statement for the giving the input in a array. Okay. After that, this is the implementation, means logic of your insertion sort array. What is your logic in our insertion sort? Okay, in that insertion sort it is a different from other that remaining two sort, both two sortings, means bubble sort and selection sort. In a bubble sort and selection sort, first of all select the 0th element index and sorting them, but it is different in that insertion sort. First select the first element or first index or first position number, and that are compared with 0th element. Okay, in that smaller than that number of first element number, then swap it, otherwise not, or placed in proper position, or not a swap but place in a proper position or not. After that, in a second iteration or in a second pass, second element will be select and second element compared with 0th element and also first element. Okay, in that second element is small, then that are placed automatically in that proper position. That's same, that's so on, that's all numbers are will be sorted automatically. After that pass means after a iteration, means our array size is n, means 5, then 5 minus 1 means 4 iteration will be, or 4 passes will be created, that using through that numbers will be sorted. Okay, this logic is used in a insertion sort. you already known, you are already studied in a lecture. In previous 3 lectures we one by one that sorting methods we are studied, means in a bubble sort, selection sort, after that insertion sort. In this lecture that 3 sorting methods use the program C language, that use the program that using through Turbo C, through how will we run it, that are studied in a today's lecture. Okay, in that program and that logic, how will be logic are run, that all our points are we already discussed in our previous lecture, that respectively that points means in a bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort. Okay, in that only for using Turbo C3 how will be done it, that's seen. Okay, so in that logic is that I is equal to 1, I less than n. Okay, in that temporary some variables are given, assigned to, after that check the condition for loop, it is condition is true, then inner part is executed, otherwise this statement is executed. Okay, that's like, and last is the our printf function. Okay, it run it, first of all compile it. Okay, any error is occur, then it display, that remove it, after that run it. Okay, success, after that run the program. How many numbers you going to enter in a array? For example 5, then numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, numbers will be 4, 7, 9, 12 and 15. Clear that? In that printf display function we use the /n, so that numbers will be displayed one by one. Okay, in that /n is used, so that numbers will be displayed starting from into the new line. Okay, you know, use the /n. /n means display the statement in a new line. Okay, using through F8 key, through how will be run it, that shown using F8 function is the F8 key is the key that using through one by one sentence how will be run it, that showing, means how will be one by one line is executed in a C language, how will be show using through F8 key. Okay, you seen that, so you are understand that. For example, given the number 4, carefully press that key, otherwise that errors will be occur. So for example, for example given a, after that F8 key 4 times, one by one we are also giving the input, otherwise at a time you given and you given a you input the numbers yourself. That's answer will be obtained 3, 6, 10, 15. Clear that? Means one by one means also means what? That option also shown it, means for example given the number 3 only. Okay, that F8 key. One by one also we given numbers, that also possible, means after that F8 key, after that F8 key. Okay, otherwise you at a time given numbers and press F8 key, which how many numbers you are given, that numbers are F8 key means one by one statement are executed. So okay, in that check one by one statement numbers will be displayed, means output will be displayed 2, 4, 8 is our output. Clear that? Okay, okay, clear that? Summary on that today's lecture is that in this lecture we run the program using Turbo C software, through which programs? Program on bubble sort, program on selection sort and program on insertion sort. Okay, you are try it on a Turbo C software. Okay. And homework on today's lecture is that continue the assignment number 2 questions 24, 25 means 26 means in that given 3 questions. Implement a C program to sort a particular data from the given array using bubble sort, using selection sort and using insertion sort. Means in that write your C program code and also write your output also. Not a mention in a question that write a output, means only for implement a C program or write a C program, that's type question will be asked. But we write a output because output in only for 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, but when we write the answers, but when we write a output, that time were given that time your impressions is given that examiner. So examiner's thinking is that their students will be clear that points are also write the output is good point. Okay, and any sometimes examiner are check output will be written or not. Okay, so reduce marks because that reason is that students are not written a output. So we write a output not a longer that output only for 2 or 3 sentences. So write a output and using through when we write a output, that's way means that's through clear that examiner that students will be clear that point and they are good students. So you write a output also in a question. The word is mentioned or not, but you write a answer. Okay, means in a question not a mention a write on output, but you also write a answer in your question paper, that output also. Okay, in a lecture I am given in a lecture points in a PPT I am given explain the point program. After that I am given a output also, output slide also we explain that. Okay, that's why that question is means that question answer is proper way, means that also write a program and also write a output also. So okay, then these three questions are continue to assignment number 2. Okay, stop. Okay, here stop on our today's lecture. Okay, in this lecture any doubt arises then contact with me, no problem. Okay, and using this video through your points are clear, then please like and subscribe this video. And one another point is that in our college start this online lectures because the situation of coronavirus means COVID-19. So all are that taking benefit it for our will be college start that online lectures. So all are stay home and stay safe and studied them using through video lectures for all subjects. Okay, once again thank you.